Oh my God, Lewis, look at that cloud. It's like a building is on fire. Well, if they didn't know we were here now. So we are live in the Schwagen as it fucking...
That's literally
I know. It is late at night on a fucking Friday night, or Saturday evening, I would assume. Saturday morning, I'm sorry. I'm mildly intoxicated, but Lewis isn't, and he's driving. Hey, is it cool if I rip this e-brake, bro?
Wait.
No.
Wait. Let me get my foot on the clutch before you do that.
So f-stop, 3.5. Okay, let's see if I can brighten this up for y'all. Alright, that should be as good as it gets. Alright, you gotta warm up the clutch, or the rear brakes. Yep. But
do whatever you want.
Policia! I can't believe you did not just get pulled for that. It's just all spool. Just park under one of the pumps. Well, not under the pump, but next to a pump. Dude, this literally sounds like a fucking 4BT. Or a boat.
It's not my fault.
Look at this bullshit. Sideways seat belts, motherfucker. Ugh. Slammed life. New turd ski on there. So this is the size of my hand. Here. Yeah. Take out a credit card real quick. Actually, take out a bill. So we can get a size comparison.
Do you even have good bills?
Bro, nice wallet, bro. Alright, so $20 bill next to the turbo. So I mean, you know she's pretty thick. New exhaust. Sweet, are these your turbos, bro?
Yeah, sure.
I can't believe you just didn't get pulled over.
New anti-plates. It's basically like laws don't apply to me.
Where's your front plate?
Where's my front bucket?
I see you're rocking the purple wheels. Dude. He sends it. He does it for Dale.
I don't fucking care.
304. Bro, isn't that from
Drifting of Honor?
Yeah, like 100 Drifters of December?
Yeah. That was a while ago. I just haven't watched it in a while.
Because street cred. There goes all your credit for night moves tomorrow. You're gonna have to get a paint pen and do it. Oh my god, dude. This is embarrassing. Hey, bro. That's tight. I want you to go to the place where that cop just came out. Great advice, right?
Always the best advice.
No one coming right.
If
No one
the cops
coming
came
left.
from there, they can't be still there.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Go straight back. Dude. This sounds so good. It's a turbo brick.
Turbo piece of shit. Where am I going? Because this
they fucking, yeah.
You told me to go straight back.
I know, this is a new curb. This was not here last time I was home, okay?
Are you talking about this circle?
Yeah, so this circle extends and like goes all the way back towards Heritage Park. Oh my God! I can't see.
It's fine. I can't either.
Alright, you're good straight. So head left. Oh my God, Lewis, look at that cloud. It's like a building is on fire. Alright, it banks left. Right here. Alright. Wow. Someone must have heard that.
It's okay, they're gonna go that way where
I know.
the smoke is coming from.
Go left.
Left?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Correct. Take a right. I would not recommend drifting this. I've seen this corner be drifted for a record of 0 and 1, and that's not a challenge. In about 200 yards. You might get airborne. I would slow down right about now. Oh God, here we go. You passed the development. Oh my God, Lewis, we got airborne. I don't know if you felt that.
Something's smoking.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's my clutch.
Park under the street light.
Transmission.
Park under the street light.
Oh Jesus, there's smoke everywhere.
Yeah, there's smoke wafting up. Oh, fuck! Yeah, I see now. Holy fuck, Lewis. Holy shit, blown clean off.
Holy fuck, in multiple places, look at that. I need to call a tow truck is what I need to do.
Oh my God.
Hey, do you have an extra cone hose?
No.
Nah, I didn't think so. Guess who doesn't? Me. But hey, We went over 120 miles an hour.
Dude, here's what we can do. We can park this right over there. You'll be fine. We can walk back to my house and I'll drive you home. We're only about 3 miles. No, you're fine.
Jesus, fuck this team coming out of my head.
We're only about 3 miles from my house.
Oh, God.
Just kidding, like 2.5.
That can't be healthy.
No, how did that even happen from jumping or just hitting that much throttle?
These are questions I can't answer.
I can't believe I got this all on video.
At least it happened here instead of on the track.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all that fucking water everywhere.
Dude, it's all over the edge. Yo, get it and we'll actually push it over there.
Yeah.
Lewis, hold the camera while I push you. We're just...
Key in, go like that, go like that.
Just race car things, honestly.
Don't buy a race car. It's a fucking waste of money. God, no power steering.
Here, let's back it up first. Yeah. Good camera angle, hopefully. Alright, you ready? Got it. Dude, this reminds me of in the snow. Whew, alright, we're back. It fucking broke. And now we gotta walk like 2.5 miles back to my house so I can drive Lewis home. You ready, Lewis?
Call my insurance and see if they're driving home. Because they might take the car and everything.
You want to see if they'll tow it?
Yeah, because I have towing.
Any subsequent calls may be recorded. If this is a medical emergency or your safety is at risk, hang up now and call 911.
Lewis, call 911 now.
No, I'm not doing that.
So it's dark as fuck, but we got the tow, and
There's the VTEC.
I know. Griff is coming to pick us up. Back seat? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yo, you gotta come see the damage.
Okay.
It's right up here.
Are we all okay?
Yeah. You got the tow on the way.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it sounds good. I haven't heard it with the headers yet.
Yeah.
How does VTEC sound in it?
The same.
Oh.
It just needs the rest of the exhaust.
Extra loud.
So we're here the next morning. Yo, Pete, my new beater. But holy shit, Lewis. What the hell? Well, if you guys like this crazy ass video, subscribe. Yeah, like that's all I gotta say, man.